Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 136 Brentford Road. This is a 3-bedroom property with no onward chain, ample off-road parking here at the front and a delightful garden to the rear. Okay, then moving into the property, we've got the hallway here with the stairs going up to the first floor, and on the right hand side we've got the first reception room. So a lovely bay window here to the front aspect. Then moving through, we have the second reception room, double doors leading out to the rear garden. There's also the understairs storage cupboard just here on the right hand side. And then through to the kitchen, which has a window to the rear, and then we've got a door going out into the garden from here as well. Okay, then moving up onto the first floor, we've got the landing here with a useful built-in storage cupboard, and there's loft access just above us. Then we have 3 bedrooms and the shower room, starting here with the bedroom facing towards the rear of the property. So we have a built-in wardrobe in the corner of this room, and then through to the next bedroom, which faces towards the front of the property. And then a good sized 3rd bedroom, and across to the shower room, which has a really good sized walk-in shower. And then moving outside, through to the main garden area, where there is a further flagged patio here at the far end. And then that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do give us a call as soon as you can. We'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.